All right, guys, Builder Rick here for Craftsman Tiny Homes. We got some pretty good energy. We got some pretty good news. Solar Energy Loan Fund has put us up as one of their contractors. Now, I'm going to show you what SELF is. That is Solar Energy Loan Fund. Let me turn this camera around here. But here we go. That's them right there. It's called Solar Energy Loan Fund. All right, I'm going to try and look around. Okay, so these guys are charging like 5 or 7%. They got a lot of partners, as you can see. I'll click through some of those. They got more partners here. I mean, these guys are legit. All right, St. Petersburg, PNC. Now, these guys lend in Florida. They also lend in a couple other southern states, and I forgot which ones, but we can look them up. We provide home improvement loans for everyone starting at 5% unsecured. Look at this. No minimum credit score. Can you believe that? We offer loans based on your ability to repay, not your credit score. Had trouble before? Let us help. I'm liking this. So you got to ask yourself, is this real? Well, there's one way to find out. You could go visit their site and you could apply. Let's see. Trusted contractors, self-assist in getting your project completed. We pre-screen all contractors, check pricing, and provide project coordination from start to finish. A mission to help. SELF is a nonprofit organization with a mission to help homeowners from all walks of life enjoy safer, healthier, and more comfortable homes. We also help homeowners save money on their energy and insurance costs. Okay, let's scroll through. All right, click the icons to see the types of improvements that SELF finances. All righty, that's pretty cool. Now they got to get an icon for us. All right, they do solar projects, sewer and water, storm resilience, roofing, weatherization and insulation, lighting, health and safety, disability products, air conditioning. Pre-qualify. Start by answering a few questions about yourself and your project. Once you're pre-qualified, we'll be in touch with you for final approval. Select the contractor. All right. I don't know whether we're up there under their contractor list yet. We might be. All right. Project begins. Now for the fun part. Your project is underway. We'll help monitor the progress and make sure everything is going as planned. Verification. No contractors paid until we verify the project for completion and customer satisfaction. If it's not right, we'll get it fixed. Apply now and make your home safer and for greener. Okay. Easy loan programs. Whether you're a veteran or disabled or just an average homeowner with below or average credit, SELF has a loan program for you. Okay, lending for everyone. Unsecured. Interest rates, look at this. Interest rates as low as 5%. 3 to 7 year terms. Oh man, look at this. They told me it was $30,000, or maybe I misunderstood, up to $50,000. No minimum credit score or income limits. Okay. Seniors, disabled. Oh, look at storm protection, sewer. Yeah, we went through some of that. Customer stories. Oh yeah, join our happy homeowners and start your project now. Well, this is looking good, guys. Okay. Anyway, they really liked Craftsman Tiny Homes, and so that's why we got qualified to be one of their contractors. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe, make comments, and share the videos. It really helps the channel. Okay, Builder Rick here, signing out. And go check out SELF.